Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about how to make the payment for permanent residency. So if you can see, I'm already logged into my PR portal and I'm here to make the payment. But before that, you should know what amount you have to pay. If you don't know, you can click this link. So this is IRCC website, and if you scroll down, it will show you more option about payment. So you can make the payment by card. If you're using credit card or prepaid card, those should be from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, and Union Pay. But if you want to do the payment by debit card, your debit card should be from MasterCard or Visa. So after that, you have to go down and click here, answer few questions to know what amount you have to pay. So here you have to select permanently live in Canada or get permanent resident document. Click continue. Then you have to select what stream you are applying for. For example, I'm applying for RNIP. I will select RNIP. Or if you are applying under Atlantic Immigration Program, you can choose that. I'll select RNIP and I'll select continue. And here you have to select number of family members. So first one is my spouse or common law partner, my dependent children are coming with me, or both my spouse and children, and I'm coming alone. So I will select this option and click continue. And here you have to give how many number of children are accompanying with you. So let's take 2 and click continue. And here there's an option to pay right of permanent resident fee right now, and you can pay it later as well, but it is recommended to pay beforehand so that your application won't get delayed. So you have few options here. I will pay for them both now. I'll pay for one now. I will pay for both later. So I will select this and click continue. So as per current scenario, everyone has to pay for biometric. And as per current scenario, I will put 4, one for primary applicant, one for spouse, and 2 children. So total 4. I'll click continue. And here is the total amount that I have to pay for permanent resident. And here are the bifurcation. And for 2 children, it is 460. And for primary application this amount, and your spouse this amount, and this is for biometric. And here it says maximum fee for a family of 2 or more people applying at the same time and place. So it is club to 170. Here I want to share my experience while making a payment. I have enough money in my bank account to make the payment, but still in first attempt I cannot make the transaction successful because it was limited by the bank. So my bank have $1,000 limit for one transaction, and some bank have 2,000 limit for one transaction. So my first attempt was unsuccessful. So I have called my bank to increase my one transaction limit, and which should be definitely more than the amount you have to pay. So bank's customer care people make the changes on the same time on the call, and once changes has been done, you can make the payment again and it will be successful. So then you have to click log in and pay. So for payment you have to create your account. So you have to put your email ID and you have to create your password. So once your payment is done, you have to click a print button to get the receipt, and you have to upload that receipt or that payment document here. And if you are not able to make the payment, your application will be returned to you. So you have to make the payment before you submit your application. And before submitting your application, this is the declaration part. So let's go through. So click on start. You have few questions. Do you, as the primary applicant, consent to be contacted by IRCC or an organization at IRCC's request in the future? You can select yes or no. I'll recommend to select yes because it's good to have information from IRCC. And you can read the next one, and if you want, you can select yes or no, but I recommend to click yes. And if you scroll down, there's a lot of literature. I recommend to read everything. Then here you have to type in your full name. Go down and click on complete and return to application. So once you have all the documents uploaded here, and once you do the declaration part, the submit button is enabled and you can click here to submit your application. If you think this video is useful to you, please like and share with your friends and family members. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.